recently met a friend. He's at a B2B company, and he was telling me that they were looking to really expand their lead generation efforts. And so they were looking to hire a marketing person. I said, oh, wow, great. Well, this is my business. So let me know a little bit about what you're looking for. Maybe I can help you. So he tells me, he says, well, we're looking for somebody who is going to be able to help us with SEO, SEM, marketing automation, and content. And I started laughing. He's like, what? I go, you think you're going to get this in one person? And he's like, well, I'm hoping, maybe I find a unicorn. Lo and behold, as we talked a little bit more, I explained to him that these skill sets that make up a great lead generation program typically are expertises that other people build over time. So your SEO specialist is going to be great at SEO. Your SEM specialist is going to be great at Google AdWords and paid search. Now, there's a little bit of overlap there, but typically you're not going to be able to find the same great piece of talent in one person who can do both things. And then we get to marketing automation. I mean, this is just a whole nother form of technical marketing that certainly somebody with those skill sets could have, but to get somebody with a lot of experience who's really excellent when it comes to marketing automation, you probably want to find a specialist who really knows what they're doing. Lastly, on content and strategy, you really need to have somebody who understands the creative side of the business. And the creative side is not always aligned with technical marketing. So typically people who are really great with content and strategy, they utilize data, but they don't specialize in data. If somebody is looking for these 4 elements of a lead generation program, the chances of that being the same person are very slim. So when I started telling him, it's funny, at our agency, we have an SEO specialist and he does great work. We have a paid marketing team, and they do really good stuff with SEM. And then on the marketing automation side, we have a whole group of technical marketers that can really make sure that any sort of CRM or automation system like HubSpot or Marketo, Salesforce is humming and is really used to an optimal level. And of course, we have a content team that creates amazing creative that really supports all of the different campaigns. A lot of time, people think that if they're investing in a marketing agency, then maybe they're trying to save money. But the truth is that when you hire a marketing agency, you're hiring a marketing department. You're hiring a group that can take care of all of your marketing needs from start to finish. And typically, because we have all of those specialists on staff, we can provide an immense ROI as opposed to hiring a marketing department. Because the truth is finding a great marketing person is really hard. Now, finding 4 to 6 specialists who are really great is even more difficult. But agencies across the country have these people currently working for them and can get started right away. So not only are you getting a return on your financial investment, but you're also getting a return on your time investment. In the end, if you invest in a marketing agency, you're investing in an outsourced marketing department that can get you the results you're looking for quickly.